Question 13. Simplify this expression. 3x cubed y squared to the power of 3 times 2x squared y cubed to the power of 4. We know that a times b to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m times b to the power of m. So we can apply this rule and we get 3. We can write down this term as 3 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 3 to the power of 3 times y to the power of 2 to the power of 3 times, and this one will be 2 to the power of 4 times x to the power of 2 to the power of 4 times y to the power of 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 3 is, we multiply 3 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 will be 9 times 3 and 27. So 3 times 3 will be 27. Again, there is a rule, power of power rule. If we apply this for this, it says that a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So x to the power of 3, for instance, to the power of 3 will be x to the power of 3 times 3, or x to the power of 9. Also 2 to the power of 4 means we multiply 2 4 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Now we apply. So it's 3 to the power of 3 is 27. As we apply this rule, the power of power rule. So x to the power of 3 to the power of 3 is x to the power of 9. We calculate it here. Y to the power of 2 to the power of 3 is y to the power of 2 times 3, or y to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. X to the power of 2 to the power of 4 is x to the power of 2 times 4, and will be x to the power of 8. And y to the power of 3 to the power of 4 is y to the power of 12, because 3 times 4 will be 12. There is another rule, says that now, next step, we rearrange this and write it down as 27 times 16 times x to the power of 9 times x to the power of 8 times y to the power of 6 times y to the power of 12. There is another rule that says that a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we can add these powers together because the base are the same. 27 times 16 will be 432, and we apply this rule. It will be x to the power of 9 plus 8 and y to the power of 6 plus 12, or 432 times x to the power of 17 times y to the power of 18. 9 plus 8 is 17, and 6 plus 12, 18. So we solve the questions, and our expression is equal to 432 x to the power of 17 y to the power of 18.